All right, the project at hand right now is I want to do a little bit of maintenance to my driveway. We had a very heavy rain a couple days ago, and it kind of overflowed my one water bar and started a little bit of a channel. And it just messed up this one hill a little bit, so I just want to smooth that out, fix the water bars. So the plan is to smooth out this area right here, smooth out the driveway right here, and I want to get a little bit of a ditch on the left side here. Levi. And this needs to be smoothed out right here. Here we are midway up on the driveway, and it's actually in pretty good shape, but there's a little bit of a spot where the water ran. I just kind of want to smooth it out, and I'll grab some shale out of the side here. All right, the idea with that was that this swale I dug will catch the water, which runs kind of off this parking area here. It's not that much, but it was enough where it would just carve a channel down the whole driveway, which still, it wouldn't do it that fast. Like, that was like a couple years worth of me not doing any maintenance to it. But the idea is, instead of doing that, the water will run into here and through this gravel, so there's no ditch across the driveway. Then it goes down into that big grassy area. All right, this entire hill is fixed. Let's go down to the lower area and just smooth some stuff out down there. A skid steer, the blade can't tilt on it like a dozer. To cut a good edge in, what you do is just dig a little bit of a ditch in the beginning, and then you can run that line with the thing tilted. All right, that's nice and smoothed out, and I cut it a little bit lower on this side here. So let's see how that holds up. It may need a little bit of shale on top of it, but even though this stuff looks muddy, this is like gravel. I did actually put down like 2 feet of stone throughout this whole area here years ago. All right, one more area that needs attention. All right, so this hill here needs a little attention. It's really not that bad, but we just get a little, dig out on the left a little bit. There's an old video on my channel last time I graded this with the dozer, and that's a funny video. Lacey's like running around the dozer the whole time like a nut, but all right, that looks a lot better. That wasn't in that bad a shape though. That just needed a small touch up. But it's much smoother now. Up here, I just want to try to get some scoops of this shale out of the side. Let's try switching to a tooth bucket and see if that can get a bigger scoop out of that shale. I mean, that's hard stuff there. Those teeth really dig right into this stuff. That's nice. This is, I mean, that stuff breaks up pretty easy, but you know, it does make a nice hard driving surface. Well, that stuff will break up. I'm gonna get a roller next. That'll really speed up that process. All right, so my driveway's in decent shape again. That's good because I'm about to start working on this. I just got all my steel delivered. You know, I got a bunch of I-beams and C-channel here and square tubing. All right, let's actually I'm in the middle of welding right now, so let's get back to work.